Hi, this video is regarding to set up and unbox the Canon Pixma TS3355 All-in-One printer. So let's start with that. So now we switched on the printer and just wait for the display screen. As you can see, once we see 0 here, now we are going to install the ink cartridges. Now this printer uses two kind of cartridges, and you can see this one is color, that is 244, and the black is 243. Now to install the cartridge we need to open the front door. So that's the front door. There is a hook here, so we just open like that. Now we can see here that's the ink cartridge places where we have to place the ink cartridge. So the color one goes to the color side, so just place it in and push it inwards. So once we install it, now we close this door. So now we have to open the tray to load the page. So we can do like this, and we can adjust the size of the page, and the size, the markings are there, so you can slide. And now we insert the pages. It says what kind of things you have inserted here, and now press OK. Now open the top lid, and I'm going to place this page here facing downwards. Close the lid, and we can choose if you want a color or a black, so both options are there. So I'm going to do a black. So you can see it has done a quick copy as well. Thanks for watching.